Citroen Chandigarh showroom. So today we all are here for press launch for E-C3 all electric. So further my colleague Mr. Navneet Chopra will give you the product training. So he'll give you the details through PPT. So hand over to Mr. Navneet Chopra.
Good afternoon everybody and welcome to our mission Chandigarh Citroen and thanks for coming. Okay. See, it is all about our new E-C3. It is a C cube basically, CCC. I'll explain. It is clever, comfort and cool C3. And now it is E-C3. We have launched the E-C3 electric car. So it is for by Indians and for Indians as we know about it. As you can see, we will discuss about three C cubes, clever, comfort and cool in further next slides. It is there already from February 2023 and with highly production quality checks, about 250 quality checks it has already passed. And see, if we talk about EV sales in India, it was in 2021, it was 1 lakh cars, right? And expected by 2030, it would be 7.7 lakh cars on road in India. As well as we can see percentage, it was contribution in the Indian market, it was 0.4% and it will be there by 15% by 2010. So it is a growth, as we know, like EV cars in India is taking growth day by day, month by month. We'll talk about our triple C. First is clever. First is clever, as it is an eco-tech. Maximum speed of our car would be 107 km per hour, and about top of this car would be 57, 143 Nm. Range of the vehicle would be 320 km per charge, and it is having a battery capacity of 29.2 kilowatt hours, and the cooling system of this battery is natural cool basically. It is natural cool. जो system इसका battery cooling का है, it is natural air cool you can say. We have charging system, about DC charging, fast charging system is there, which can be charged 57 minutes में 10% to 80% it will be charged 100%, 80%. And we can charge it at home as well with the 15 ampere plug point estimated. Charging time would be 10.5 hours, 10.5 घंटे में fully charge हो जाएगा. रात को लगाते हैं, सुबह तक charge हो जाता है. It is in this E-C3 we have you can customize it. Our customers can customize the car. They can select options for color options. 13 color options we have, and so many things. जैसे happy space, customers comfort हो जाएगा, lip elevated है, गाड़ी का height अच्छा है, sitting posture अच्छा रहेगा. चंडीगढ़ में जैसे हम लोग गाड़ी चला रहे हैं, तो हमारा vision अच्छा रहेगा. It is all about that. Please come next. Lip elevated में जैसे हम देख रहे हैं, ground clearance I just told you, it is 170 mm, which is very good for bumpy roads and for bad roads as well, we can say. It is best in class wheelbase of 2540 mm. The length of the wheelbase is 2540. It helps us the legroom space and stability as well. About the space, as we just discussed, it is best in segment shoulder room plus 50 mm versus other hatchbacks in the industry. And as well as we can say best in segment headroom as well. Like in Chandigarh, we have Sikh personality as well. So it would be very much easy to sit inside and you can get headroom space. 13 exterior colors combinations are there. 4 colors are monotone in a single color and 9 colors are in dual tone. which we can choose like white plus orange roof, steel grey with platinum roof. So 9 colors are there, which is dual tone colors. Exactly. And B2C customers, business to customers, battery warranty would be 7 years or 1,40,000 kilometers, whichever is actually. Motor warranty is 5 years or 1 lakh kilometers. Vehicle warranty is 3 years or 125,000 kilometers. As you'll see, if you'll see business to business, the battery, motor and vehicle warranty would be 3 years or 125,000 kilometers. Extended warranty has already introduced. From next month, it will be initiated for customers. Service promise. Citroen is giving service promise to each customer in India. As Mr. Deepak Jha from Service Head, and he can explain it better.
Hi, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal to everyone, and welcome to our press launch of new electric E-C3. So basically, being a part of after sales business, so my colleagues get the privilege to be the forefront runner to you all guys, and definitely becomes a post later phase. But scenario is this कि आज हम भी साथ में हैं, so it's something good for me to elaborate more about this. So basically, sir, so far in the industry, what we have seen is like there is a dedicated sale, there is dedicated after sales support. Being like almost 35 more brands are there already in India, right? So we are a very new baby born in India, being like Citroen. So we have designed our after sales support is in a way like you get all the essence of all those brands who are already dealing in India, right? How we are different and how we are setting up the new milestone in the Citroen. So just a glimpse onto it. So basically what it says, anytime, anywhere and access, right? What does this sense? Basically suppose you got the delivery from us and you drove it to any part of Himachal, say J&K or anywhere, right? So you are nowhere far from us. How? With the this expansion of IT industry, we are having everything on our fingertips onto your tablet. You can reach us on toll-free number. More onto that, individually we are also available over the WhatsApp, formal WhatsApp group what we mix with the customer. So the customer gets all-round development from our side. Nowhere we are letting them to be alone, right? So this is something, the first point. Second point is the virtual remote diagnosis. So how it makes sense? Like whenever we reaches to the customer, right? So it's not possible to get all the amenities along with us. However, we do have a very beautiful dedicated van for the after sales support, which we use to carry to the doorstep service of a customer. So through that, we have a dedicated launch box, diag box, which make the diagnosis, right? So onto that, we have access. We can reach or we can connect to our factory in the real main time, so that they can assist us. Suppose there's a level of diagnosis, right? If we need some support from factory side, so they get onto the board right in the real time. If we had not to wait for long to get them connected. So that's a virtual remote diagnosis. Periodic services and maintenance. So beauty of this, our new service on wheels thing is, for any of your periodic maintenance, we are not letting you guys anywhere down. We are reaching you at your doorstep, whether it's been a span of anywhere in India, right? So whether a customer takes a delivery from us and move to Ladakh or Leh, so he can be in a comfort. Yes, right, Chandigarh team is there, they will reach us for the any periodic maintenance schedule. 90-minute RSA guarantee. Suppose करें किसी दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण घटना से there is some breakages or breakdown happens. उस scenario में we are committing you to reach within 180 minutes. How? We have a dedicated facility for RSA, that is called roadside assistance. So आपको just whether you can get in touch with us, with the dealership people, or we have a dedicated toll-free line also, hotline, जिसमें कि just आपको अपना VIN number बताना है, they will fetch out all the details and they will support you at your coordinates wherever you are. सर्विस ऑन व्हील, और जितनी भी अभी महिमा मैंने गाई है वो सारी की सारी सर्विस ऑन व्हील्स के अंदर ही है, जो कि like it's a complete dedicated van. So do we have slides on? No. Anyway, we'll let you have that video also if possible. And service cost estimator on website. अभी suppose करें someone is planning to have the C3. so they can get the estimation of future services also, भाई ये कितना खर्चा आने वाला है, right? And this is something not just with our electric city, it's about within our whole brand. देखिए कस्टमर अपने घर पे बैठे हुए देख सकते हैं कि मेरा इस सर्विस शेड्यूल में, इस किलोमीटर के रेंज में, इस अंतराल पे अगर मैं जाऊंगा तो मेरे को क्या क्या खर्चा लगेगा, क्या क्या कंपोनेंट्स हैं, क्या लेबर एस्टिमेशन है, अकॉर्डिंगली ही कैन गेट एस्टिमेट टू.